There, this is Bruce from Sinopad. Let me explain how to complex if we install the whole lines. Okay. The firstly, these parts, and these parts, we need to install. And then the screws, every screws we need to install. And every stringless plate we also need to screw here. Is screw. And also the sensor we need to install. So that means everything we need to install like clean room, and then we remove everything. It will be damaged some parts. Like if we fix these parts, sometimes fix these parts and remove these parts, and then it will be damaged. Sometimes it will be damaged because after we install the machines, and then we will not remove everything. It will be very good for the machines running and the production. Like the sensor, every sensors and every the electricity lines we need to put into the pipes like this, into the pipes. So if we put into the pipes, and then when we remove every part, we need to remove the electric lines also. So it is very complex. Like these parts. We also need to install everything, and the whole line is very, very large. For example, this is one of the factory we made in China, and there are many lines and ready to running. Later I will show you the machines running. Okay, so it is very, very difficult for install and then remove every parts. It will be damaged some parts, like the lines, sometimes the sensor also, yeah. So this is not the single machines we can install and then running. It is like the clean room. We will ship every parts, like these parts, like these parts, like these parts. And then we will install it in your factory. Like the clean room, we will ship only the panels and then install it in your factory. If we install it in China and then remove every part, every panels in China, then it will be damage the clean rooms. So it is very easy to understand. It's very, very easy, right? Like these parts, every part we need to install like this, and like these parts, every parts. So this is the finished machines we already installed in one of our Chinese capsule manufacturer. And the machines is running very good. 可以运行一下。 Like this. We have 80% hard capsule production lines in each manufacturer for the capsule production. So our machine's quality is okay and it's good, so don't worry about that. So as I explained to you, if you install everything and then remove everything, it will be damage some parts. If damage some parts, how we can do? Like the sensor, many sensors. Here, sensor. Yeah, sensor here. And the motor, and here, and here. Yes. And the plate. Let me show you. And these parts, every parts, under these parts, we also need to install. It's same as we install the machines in your factory. Like this sensor, we need to adjustment to put the sensor in right place. This sensor here, right? Many sensors. You can see. So after we install the sensor also, and then remove the sensor, it will be some damage. Also here, sensor. Yeah, sensor here. Yeah. So this is like a project. So we suggest you to install the machines, the whole machines, only the whole machines in your factory, in Russia factory. So it will be better. We will equip everything. Similar like this. This is the huge production. They have eight layers. Inside included two lines. And this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you have 8 because their production speed is higher than you. Like these parts, we will also install. So if you install these parts, if you install the whole line, we also need to put this, everything we need to make. And after we made, it will be very difficult to remove. Like the house, we already finished, and then remove the house, and then rebuild the house. So this is the thing I want to explain to you. See? Like the plate, every screws we need to fix. Yes. Okay. And if we put the mousse inside, it will be also damaged. Because when we install the mousse in our factory is not clean room, and then we need to put the oil onto the mousse to light the machines running well. So sometimes we'll damage the mousse if we remove the mousse. So this machine lines is same as ours. Same as yours. See? And see? And see? Yeah. This is Chinese, but we also make the language for you.